Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th, and we are on chapter 34 revision. Alright, and today's date is 11. Only 2 days are left for the exams, so we'll finish revision today. Okay, so today's revision is based on mean and median. Let us see. Question number 1, find the mean of. Now mean here means average. In general language, we say what is the meaning of mean is average. Okay, to find average of. To find average of what? To find average of first 6 even natural numbers. Now what I have done is directly I have taken here example. Okay, because that is only important. So question number 1, find the mean of first 6 even natural numbers. Means I have to find average, that is mean of first 6 even natural numbers. So in few students, what they have done is they have simply written first 6 even natural numbers. Means in textbook question was find the mean of first 5 natural numbers. So they have written 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, finish. What is the question? Find the mean of. Mean of what? First 6 even natural numbers. So what you should do first? First you write down first 6 even natural numbers. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. These are all even natural numbers. Even numbers. Okay. So how many? First 6. So you know that natural number starts with 1. Okay, natural numbers are nothing but counting numbers. But we don't want only natural numbers. We want even natural numbers. So, how many? 6. So, first 6 even natural numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 6 natural numbers. 6 even natural numbers. Right? Now, what to do next? We have to find its mean. So, mean formula is sum of observations divided by number of observations. Here observations mean each this number. 2 is an observation, 4 is an observation, 6 is an observation, 8 is an observation, 10 is an observation, and 12 is an also observation. So sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Now how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means 6 here. Means what? Observations means data. How many data do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 datas with me, right? It is like that. So sum of observations 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12. So what I have done is I have written and I have added them divided by number of observations, that is 6. So 6 I have written here. So add all of them, you will get 42. Add the way you add. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 12, 42. 42 divided by 6. You know that 6 ones are and 6 sevens are 42. So answer is 7. 6 ones are, 6 sevens are. So what is the mean? Mean is 7. Question number, now second example, first 10 whole numbers. So first 10 whole numbers. You know whole numbers always start with 0 and natural number starts with 1. So here since first 10 whole numbers are there, start writing with 0. Alright. So 0. First natural number is, first whole number is 0. Second is 1. Third is second. So like this 10th is 9. So you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you will be confused. First 10 whole numbers means 1 to 10 you will write and you will finish off. You will get the wrong answer. Right? Because whole number starts with 0. So first write down first 10 whole numbers. Then come to our regular formula. Mean is equal to sum of observations upon number of observations, which is equal to sum of all this data, that is observations. So 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 and plus 9 divided by 10. 10 means how many numbers are there? From here we should understand what will be here. Number of observations. Okay, so 10. So let's add all. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 7, 28. 28 plus 8, 36. 36 plus 9, 45. Okay, divided by 10. So my answer will come 45 divided by 10, answer will come 4.5. So my mean is 4.5. I hope you are understanding. Okay. So question you will see, find the mean of. Now this is very general question. It doesn't have only data is given or only observation is given. You have to just do the same thing which we did in last two examples. Okay, here nothing is said that first 5 natural numbers, first 10 whole numbers or even numbers or add numbers. Directly observations are given and it is told find out the mean. Alright. So mean is equal to sum of observations upon number of observations. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 20 plus 15 plus 12 plus 14 plus 18 plus 21 plus 15 plus 19 upon 11. Right? So add all these numbers correctly. When this type of question example come in exam, you just check this addition 2 to 3 times divided by 11. So 141 I totaled them. I got 141 divided by 11 which is equal to 12.81. I have divided it. Answer comes 12.81. Right? So my mean is 12.81. So even if your answer comes in that decimal, that's perfectly alright. After point you can find up to 2 digits. Alright. Now question is find the median of. Now till now we have seen 3 examples of mean and let's see example of median. Median is the mid value or the mid term which we get. Okay, what is median? Median is the mid term or mid value of the given data, of the given observations. First rule is when the data are given or we say when the observations are given, what you should do is first thing is to arrange them in an array. Now you will ask what is an array? Array is nothing but to arrange these given observations in either ascending order or descending order. So generally I prefer ascending order. So now I have arranged it 2. Okay, I have taken here 2. So let's cancel 2. Then 4. I am arranging in ascending order. Then again 4 is there repeated. So write it again. Then 5 is there. Then 6 is there. Then 7 is there. 9 is there. Then again this 9 is there. Then 10 is there and last 11 is there. My mistake, I was cutting this. I should have cut this. Okay. You don't do that mistake. So 2, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 9, 10, 11. So after that just confirm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So it is matching, means we are correct. Now what to do? Now let us find its midterm. Means cancel from here 2, from here 11, from here 4, from here 10, from here again 4, here this line, from here 5, again this line. Now these two mid values are left, 6 and 7. So there should be one more mid value here which is not there. So now you can see 6 and 7 are left. Okay. But before that what you should know is the number of observations. Now how many observations are there we have said? It is 10. We have counted 10. 10 came here. Means even. Even means you will get 2 mid values or 2 mid observations which we cannot cut. Because if we cut both we'll get nothing in between. So you have to keep them as it is. Those 2 mid values. When the number of observations are even, then only we'll get that So 6 plus 7. So what, how to find out its median? 6 plus 7, that is sum of this divided by 2. Sum of the mid two terms divided by 2. This is to be worked for all types of even number of data. Now here I am getting 10. If suppose number of observations are 12, find out their mid values, add them and divide by 2. Okay. So here 6 and 7 were there. So I have taken 6 and 7. 6 plus 7 upon 2, 13 upon 2, which is equal to 6.5. I have divided it. I got answer in decimal. Okay. This happened. This thing you have to apply for all to find median of even number of observations. That you have to keep in mind. Okay. This seems very easy here. But in exams, first thing you should do is to arrange it in array. But you people are so much in happiness as, oh, we have got such an easy question, so you forget to write it in an array. And once you do not write it in array, you won't get correct median. Okay, so arranging in correct order is very important. Let's see the next example. 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 10, 12, 11, 10, 1. So I have arranged, you can see I have arranged all these. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here number of observations is 11, that is odd. So in odd, without doing anything, we have to find out mid value, which is very important. First thing you have to do is arrange it in array, because without that we won't get answer, right? So I have arranged it in proper order, that is ascending order. After that I have checked also whether they are, these are 11 in numbers. Let us check whether these are 11 in numbers or not. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, these are 11 and these are also 11. So let's cut on both the sides. 1 with 12. Here 1, left, right, left, right, left, right, left and right. So what is left is 6. So here no need to add, no need to subtract, directly one number is left. That one number is only the median. Sorry. One number is only the median, that is 6. Okay. So here we have, just please practice it, because this seems very easy, but when it comes in the exam, you feel also easy, but then you lose marks also. Too many marks are lost by students in these types of easy questions only. So please do not make that mistake, and please complete this in the notebook. Okay, and I am uploading solutions, yesterday's solutions of chapter triangles. Please go through the solutions and correct your yesterday's solution. Okay, till that time, thank you so much and please take care.